Alam mo ba na by age 5 pwedeng sira na yung tiyan ng anak mo? And we're not just talking about digestion. This tiyan is their gut, their health command center. But here's how we can fight naturally. Every year, autoimmune diseases rises by 3 to 9%. Right now, 1 in 5 kids has eczema. 1 in 10 has asthma or ADHD. 1 in 36 is on the autism spectrum. And 25% struggle with constipation, colic, and regurgitation or yung paglulungad. And these aren't just numbers, mga anak natin to. The gut is your child's health command center. At dahil doon, maraming issues ang nanggagaling dito. Dahil ito yung in charge sa digestion, immunity, brain development, pati na rin yung mood. Kaya sobrang importante na alagaan natin to habang bata pa sila. Everyday may mga bagay na tahimik pero nakakasira na pala sa gut health ng mga anak natin. Ang sugar at maltodextrin, yan ang paboritong pagkain ng mga bad bacteria. Kapag sobra, dumadami sila at nagkakaroon ng imbalance sa gut. Kaya nagkakaproblema sa digestion, sa immunity, pati na rin sa mood ng mga anak natin. Yung pesticides at chemical residues, nakakagasgas ng gut lining yan. Yung mga antibiotics, lalo na kung sobra o may mga natitirang residues, pati yung mga good bacteria na kailangan ng anak natin, pinapatay nila. That's why we chose Hip Organic Kinder Milk. It is specially made for kids 3 and above. Gentle sa tiyan, made with natural lactose, at higit sa lahat, walang maltodextrin. Certified organic din, kaya sigurado kang walang pesticides or antibiotic residues. It's clean, safe, and backed by science. At may prebiotics pa to help support gut health and stronger immunity. 30 and Moy were doing okay before. Pero with Hip, ibang level. Gumana lalo silang kumain, gumanda yung poop time nila, at masarap na rin ang tulog. Mas happy, mas healthy, and it shows. A healthy gut is the foundation of lifelong wellness. Kaya habang bata pa sila, let's support them with clean and natural nutrition. Start strong, start clean, use organic with Hip Kinder Milk.